Question 11. So ethane diarrhea ions react with aqueous iron 3 ions in a ligand substitution reaction. Write an equation for this reaction. Suggest why the value of the enthalpy change for this reaction is close to 0 and it's worth 2 marks. So aqueous iron 3 iron. So I've got iron and I've got H2O and I've got 6 of them and 3 plus because it's iron 3. Ethane diarrhea are bidentate ligands, so C2O4 2 minus. I'm going to need 3 of them, and I'm going to make iron C2O4 3 of them, and my charge is going to be -6 plus 3 minus, and then 6 H2O is going to get kicked out. So ligand substitution, 1 mark. Second mark, suggest why the value for the enthalpy change for this reaction is close to 0. So the enthalpy change is all to do with bonds breaking and bonds being made. So essentially what I'm doing here is I'm swapping an oxygen coordinate bond, or 6 oxygen coordinate bonds, with actually 6 oxygen coordinate bonds. So I'm going to say that there are 6 iron oxygen bonds broken and 6 similar, not quite the same because they're in different environments, bonds made. Get me my second mark. Okay. Next question, draw the displayed formula, so all of the atoms and all of the bonds of the iron complex produced in the reaction in question 11.2. Indicate the value of the oxygen iron oxygen bond angle. State the type of isomerism shown by the iron complex, 3 marks. So bond angle, type of isomerism, and a diagram. So to draw this, these ones are a bit tricky to draw, so just start off with the iron in the middle and then draw the bonds that you're going to have to draw in. So my octahedral shape, I've got my oxygens on my ethane diorate, so oxygen, oxygen, oops, that's not oxygen, carbon, and put my square brackets around it and my 3 minus on the outside. So my bond angle between oxygen, iron, oxygen, I'm going to say is 90 degrees. And the type of isomerism shown by this is optical. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, last question. Ethane diarrhea ions are poisonous because they react with the iron ions in the body. Ethane diarrhea ions are present in foods such as broccoli and spinach. Suggest one reason why people who eat these foods do not suffer from poisoning. 1 mark. So this isn't in the spec, so you just got to come up with this yourself. Suggest a reason, and the most sensible reason is that the ethane diorate ions are only present in small concentrations. So they're not going to poison you because the concentration of them is so small. Okay.